Hey everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and this video is going to be on the dollar bead box. So I just started getting this box. This is my second time getting it, and I'm really enjoying it. It is a monthly subscription of $18.50, and for the month of February 2022, there are 19 items in this box, and they mix it up with giving you strands of beads and then some additional items that you get, that embellishment items for doing your jewelry. And so we're going to go ahead and get right into it, and let's see what we got. We're going to start with the strands, and our first strand is going to be, make sure I get this in focus, that is far away. Let's see what we got here. Okay, there we go. This is pretty. This is a Czech fire polish. So this is a 6mm fire polish, and the color is Jet Half Vintage Bronze. And you get 25 pieces in here. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. I like that. You can see the gold tone flickering off of there. So these are pretty. Okay, and our next one is a 6mm Czech glass Druk in Violet Opal. There we go. These are pretty. And these you get 32 pieces. And they're just gorgeous. These are great to add to your stash. Very nice. Nice clean cut in there. Okay. And then the next one we have is 3x10mm Czech glass Dagger in Jet Hematite. So there we go. Look at those. These feel so nice. Just so nice and smooth. Look how pretty that is. Okay, and these you get 38 pieces. And it's more like a what would we call this color? It's hematite. Well, you know what hematite color is. It's kind of like a charcoal grayish. You know, if the light's not hitting it, it looks more charcoal. If the light is hitting it, you can kind of picks up the grayish in it, kind of. Anyway, let's move on. Our next one is 4mm Czech glass Bicones in Alabaster Purple Violet. There are 25 pieces here. Okay, these are pretty. See if I can zoom in a little more for you. Whoops, a little too much. Come on. There we go. That's good. And these you get 25 pieces. Not sure if I mentioned that or not. It's really pretty. And next we have Czech glass pearl in olive, and this is a 3mm, and you get 40 pieces on here. Now I don't know about you, but I could really use to build my 3mm stash up. Don't have a lot of 3mm, so I could really use this. Really pretty. And our next one is 6mm Czech glass pearl and Pastel Mint. Now I'll zoom out a little bit. Okay. And this is 20 pieces you get in here. 20 pieces. Okay. It's really pretty. I need some of these pearl beads. Yeah, they're glass pearls, 6mm. It's just what I needed. And the last for the strands are 14mm. This is a 14mm Czech glass button bead in Jet Hematite again. 8 pieces. Look at the detail on that. This is really pretty. It has that carved detail in there, which kind of gives it that kind of vintage, ancient look. So it'll make whatever you're making look really, kind of expensive, vintagey looking because of the carving in there. So these are really pretty. Has some nice weight to them. Very pretty. Okay. And let's see. We're going to start with the additional items. Here we go. 9x9 mil Czech glass lily and violet copper wash opaque coral or crystal. Okay. 6 pieces. And this is what they look like. Now I gotta zoom in. Zoom in for you. There we go. And they have the little, whoops, where am I? Has a little tiny pre-drilled hole all the way through. Okay. So these are really cute. And next we have 8x10 black faceted rondelles. These are 2 pieces. These are really pretty. Very pretty. You can just look at them and tell that, the quality in there. Very nice. Has the facet on there. Has some nice weight to it. These are really pretty. And again, these are 8x10 mil. Okay. Let's see what's up next. 4x8 Tiara cast Oasis Rondelle. And antique silver plate, and you get 2 of these. Now these are heavy. These have some weight to them. They have the carving in there on both sides, so these are really pretty. And this is a nice box to really build your stash. And this is a 16 mil Czech glass faceted bicone in violet satin. You get 1 piece, and it's a big one. Look at that. I've never seen a bicone this big. It's gorgeous. It's really pretty. There's your hole. I've never seen a bicone this big, and I am like the bicone queen because this is the bicones that I work with. The 4 mil. That's what I work with. Okay, next. 10 mil Czech glass tabular squares in jet. You get 6 pieces of these. These are really nice looking. I don't know why I cannot get in frame today. Maybe just a little. I'm just going to go out a little bit. These are really nice. It has your pre-drilled hole in there. Very nice. Looks like a very nice quality bead. So this is going to look really, really super nice on whatever you make with it. Okay. Next we have a 9 mil Czech glass flower in Tanzanite. Look at that. How cute are these? And they're carved on each side. The hole is in the middle. These are really cute. So you can pair it with the other beads on the strand here. So that's really pretty. And then next we have, Czech glass star. White alabaster silver rose gold wash. These are 14 mil. pretty. And it has your pre-drilled hole in there. And you have the design on each side. And the next one, Czech glass dragonfly, 17 mil. You get one of these, and it is pink opal travertine aqua wash. That's really cool to use for something. It's really pretty when you see it in person. Looks, you know, looks very boho kind of, I would definitely say. Very pretty. Okay, let's see what's next. Czech glass double pyramid 8 mil crystal white opals. And these are really pretty. Look at that. I don't have anything like this, I believe. This is going to be really pretty. Oops, making something with this. Okay, and next you get an 18 mil pewter Celtic cross pendant. There we go. It's really pretty. Look at the detail in there. And it's the same on both sides. See if I can get a little. Oh, come on, focus. Just trying to get a little closer. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Has your bail already on there, so you're ready to go. Okay, next, 8 mil Pewter Flower, antique silver plated, 3 pieces. There you go. These also have some weight to them. Very pretty. It has your pre-drilled hole. And lastly, we have a 9x12 vintage Czech glass pinched rectangle in white opal smoky topaz. And you get 4 pieces of these. These are also pretty. Yeah, so you get a lot of unique items that you're really not going to find anywhere else, or at least I haven't. These are really pretty. And a lot of these you can use if you make charm bracelets. You can use them, you know, if you make a charm bracelet, or, you know, you will find something to make with these for sure. So this is really pretty. I hope you definitely join and get a subscription, a monthly subscription to the Dollar Bead Box. There it all is. Well, some of it. So don't forget to like my channel, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. And let's see if I can get this a little better. There we go. And don't forget to visit my Shopify store, thebeadedjewel.com. Okay. I'm also on, I'll put links. I'm also on Etsy, Poshmark, eBay. Very busy making and selling jewelry. So if you like my content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let me know what you think about this subscription box. You get a lot of unique items in here. Okay, and I think that's it. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I will be back soon with another video for you. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.